So if you've been here, you know that I love my jet black hair, honey, but that is not to say that from time to time we won't switch it up and throw in a pop of color. Thank you so much for being here today, love. If this is your very first time, my name is Toni, or if this is not your first time and you're coming back, thank you, girl. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into today's unit. Today's unit is obviously sponsored from LUVME Hair, so thank you so much, LUVME Hair, yet again for sponsoring another video. We are getting into this toffee brown blonde mix. I mean, you guys saw the color, like the chunky highlight with the blonde mixed with that toffee brown. Oh my gosh, the color combo was just, I mean, it was crazy and it was vibrant. Like, I'm trying to show it in as much natural light as possible just so you can see the vibrance of the wig. So of course, the box is gonna come with a couple different goodies, two of which I'm going to use. One is this dark brown cap, because when you're using the lighter colors, you wanna lean towards using like a darker brown cap just so it looks a little more natural. And then I'm also going to use the rollers that I pulled out because I really wanna set the top of my hair with a nice roller to give it like that nice falling bang look that we love. So just going over the specs of the interior of the wig, we can see this comes pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about bleaching this unit. You don't even have to worry about really doing anything because you can wear this as a glueless unit. So all you have to do is do like I'm doing here, pop it on your head, trim off the lace, and you really could wear it like this. Now, personally, I am going to spray it down today only because, y'all, if you've been here, then you also know my head is a little large, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and spray it down just so I can make sure that it is in the position that I want it to be. But honestly, even if you do choose to spray it down, you don't need a lot. Like, I did one little layer, popped it in place, dried it, and it was good to go. So again, you don't have to do any plucking. It already comes pre-plucked. And honestly, did you see the parting space? So on this wig, you can do a side part, you can do a deep C part, you can do a middle part. There is so much parting space in this 5x5 that you can pretty much pull off any look that you want. So here I am going to go ahead and set the top of my hair first. I want to give it plenty of time to just hold in place while I'm curling the rest of my hair. So I'm going to curl the top of my hair away from my face. And then once I curl it away from my face, then I'm going to set it with a roller. So I wanted to do this in real time just so you guys can see that I'm just taking my big barrel curling iron. I think this one is a 1.5 inch barrel, which is plenty, more than enough, because it's gonna give you that nice body wave type look. But after I do that, I'm gonna pull it off and I'm going to immediately pull out that roller that came with the set. So honestly, I think that the rollers coming with this particular unit was definitely a go-to, because with this type of unit, with it being a bob and a layered bob at that, I don't know if you guys caught that, but this is a unit that is already pre-cut. So it already has the layers in place. Using those rollers and setting it to give it that nice layered look is definitely a go-to for this type of unit. So what I don't want you to do is burn yourself like I just did. I burned the heck out of my neck. So definitely don't do that when you're curling. But with the big barrel, like I said, just go through, give it a bump. I mean, it's gonna look like some grandma curls to start with, but y'all will see at the end. Yeah, it'll come together, I promise you. So while I am going in and curling my hair, let's go ahead and kick it up to 4 times speed so I can talk about LUVME Hair and how you get to this unit. So if you go over to www.luvmehair.com, you will get to their main website, which you see I am scrolling through here. They have so many styles to choose from, you guys, and their main motto is switching it up, and that is exactly what they provide. They provide you so many different types of styles to be able to switch up your look at any given moment. But today, like I said, we're focusing on this toffee brown blonde mix. So if you go in the search bar and type in those exact words, this unit will pop right up. Again, this is a 5x5 glueless unit. You can wear it glueless or you can spray it. Definitely don't forget to use my coupon code, which is RAY25, to save 25% off. That will also be in the description box with a direct link to this wig unit as well. So let me catch my breath because I am talking so fast. But with the wig unit, just pointing out, when you get to the edges of your hair, of course, you always want to curl away from the face. That's going to give you that most like layered look. And then I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of Gots to Be because I want those waves to stay in place. And I mean, just look at how my hair is falling. I did very like bare minimum type of manipulation. All you saw was I just threw a little curls in there and that was it. All I'm gonna do now is define my part with just a little bit of my lighter concealer. And then I wanna do like a pulled behind the ear look. But since my hair obviously is black, I'm going to reach underneath and pull out just a little piece of hair so that I can cover it up as I'm pulling the hair behind my ear, and it just kind of hides my black hair. But that is the look, you guys. I am so glad that you guys checked out this video. This unit, again, will be linked in my description box. Definitely shouts outs again to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well. Until next time, love. Bye.